Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the while loop in Unity and understand its practical applications in game development. Let's get started. What is while loop? While loop is a control structure that allows code to be executed repeatedly as long as a specific condition remains true. It is mainly used when the number of iterations is unknown and depends on a condition being met. Where is while loop used? Handling game conditions, creating countdowns and timers, waiting for player input, repeating actions until a condition is met, AI behavior loops. I will show you how to use a while loop in Unity by creating a simple player health system. I have created a variable for the player's health and initialized it with a value. In the start method, I used a while loop to gradually decrease the player's health by 10 in each iteration. This method can be useful in game mechanics where health reduction happens over time or under specific conditions. Let's check the console output to see how the health decreases step by step. As you can see, the while loop exits when the health reaches 0. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.